guys, I'm going to show you how to use seed beads in your embroidery, and this is just using a seed stitch. So I've got 2mm seed beads, and I'm just using some fine sewing thread, and then I'm going to grab a pretty small needle. So I'm going to grab that size 10 embroidery needle because I want to make sure the width of the needle eye is thin enough to fit these small little beads since they're so tiny. So just going to come up through the fabric, and then I'm just going to grab one of the beads and I'll slide it down my needle and thread onto the fabric. Then I'm just going to secure the bead on the top. So I am coming back down to the fabric, come back up through the bead again, and then secure it one more time through the fabric. Then I'll just continue adding the beads in the same fashion. So grabbing one bead, sliding it down from the needle onto the fabric. When you're finished, you can tie a knot on the back, and there you go. Thanks for joining me. I will see you again next time.